session. The Honorable Judge Kessel is presenting. We will hear the case of the state of Georgia versus Goldilocks, who is accused of 1 criminal damages to property, 2 theft, and 3 criminal trespass. Will the defendant please stand?
Defendant, do you have legal representation today? Do you understand the charges against you? You may be seated. Prosecution, you may start.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, my name is Lynn Nicole. I'm the prosecuting attorney in this case. During the trial of the case, I will introduce the evidence that the defendant Goldilocks violated the criminal laws by committing the crimes of criminal trespass, criminal damage to property, and theft. The evidence will show beyond a reasonable doubt that Goldilocks, without their permission, did unlawfully enter the home of the 3 bears. While in their home, Goldilocks damaged their property by breaking one of their chairs and also stole a bowl of their porridge. Several eyewitnesses will say under the oath that they saw Goldilocks enter the home of the 3 bears, destroy some of their furniture, and steal some of their food, all in the violation of the law.
Thank you. Defense?
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, the defendant Goldilocks is accused of criminal trespass, theft, and criminal damage to property. We will prove that the defendant Goldilocks is not guilty of these crimes. We know that the door was wide open, and Goldilocks was invited over that morning for breakfast. Baby Bear and the chair was already broken by Baby Bear. There are no names on the bowls, and 3 bowls were left out, and Papa Bear was not eating that morning.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Prosecution, you can call your first witness.
Papa Bear.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the evidence of the court, and the evidence you shall give to the court is the whole truth, the truth, and nothing but the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God. I do.
Papa Bear, do you own the home located at Winwood Circle?
Yes.
Who else lives at that address?
Lots of people in my family.
Did you invite Goldilocks to come into your home?
Yes.
When you returned home, what did you see?
I saw Baby Bear's chair broken and Baby Bear's bowl empty.
Was there damage to your furniture?
Yes.
Please describe the damage to your furniture.
Baby Bear's chair was broken.
Was there food on your table?
Yes.
Was any of your food eaten?
Yes.
Do you know who ate the food?
I think it was Goldilocks.
Did you ever see anyone in your home?
Yes.
Who was in your home? Is the person in the courtroom today? Please identify him. Nothing for me now.
Defense?
You were not eating that morning, were you?
No.
Okay. Was the chair already broken?
Yes.
How big was the crack in the chair?
Not that big. Not that small.
Do you think that it would have broken already?
Yes.
Okay. That's all we have.
Okay. Thank you. The witness is dismissed. Prosecution, call your next witness.
Mama Bear?
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the evidence you shall give to the court and jury in the matter now pending before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Where do you live? on the house?
Yes.
Did you see who's sleeping in the bed?
She had blonde hair and dress.
Does the person you describe, are they here today?
Right over there.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. Defense?
Did you invent Goldilocks in that party? No. Did you make free pies of porridge? Yes. Has Dorothy been over to your house before? Is she friends with Baby Bear?
Thank you. The witness is dismissed. Prosecution will call your next witness.
Baby Bear?
Do you solemnly swear or according to the evidence you shall give to the court and the jury in the matter now pending before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do.
Please state the name for your court. Baby, where do you live? Baby, you are here today because your home was broken into. Is that correct?
Yes.
On the date of the crime, did you leave your home?
Yes.
Where did you go?
Big Bear in the shoes.
When you returned, what did you find?
My chair broken and a porridge eaten.
Was your porridge still on the table when you got back?
Yes, but it was empty.
How was your rocking chair when you got home?
Completely destroyed.
What did you see when you returned in your bed?
I saw a small little girl at 9 with blonde hair and wearing a blue jumpsuit.
Is that the girl that ate your porridge?
Yes.
And is that the girl that broke your chair? And is that the girl who slept in your bed?
Yes.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Defense?
Baby Bear, are you friends with Goldilocks? What school do you go to? Or are you just homeschooled? Yeah. When's your birthday?
The witness needs to speak up. The court can't hear. You need to repeat the answer.
July 18th.
Do you often forget to close the door?
I don't.
When did the chair break?
When the day that the crime happened.
No further, Your Honor.
Thank you. The witness is dismissed. Prosecution, call your next witness.
Mayor of the Bears.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the evidence you shall give to the court and jury in the matter now pending before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do.
Do you live next door to the Bears' home at Wynwood Circle?
Yes.
Did you see the Bears when they went for a walk?
No.
Did they close the front porch door of the house when they left?
No.
Did you later notice that the door was open?
Yes.
Did you see Goldilocks enter the Bears' home?
No.
Were the Bears with her when she entered the home?
No.
Nothing further.
Thank you. Defense?
Did you see anything in the house?
Yes.
What did it look like?
I think I heard a cracking of a chair, and then I saw something move through their window.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. The witness is dismissed. Prosecution, call your next witness.
The person who's in the woods.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the evidence you shall give the court is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? So help you God.
I do.
Hello. What's your name?
Andrew.
Did you hear anything strange coming from the bear's house?
Yes, I did. I heard like cracking or something. I don't know what it was cracking, but I think I saw tail maybe cracking.
Did you see anything odd?
I saw a girl going into the bear's home, and I knew that it was a bear's home. So I kind of looked through a window to see why she was going in the home, and I saw like her drinking some Kool-Aid.
Is that what the girl looked like you saw?
Yes.
The prosecution rests.
Defense?
Are you friends with Goldilocks?
I haven't seen her that much.
Do you know her?
No, not really.
Are you unsure of yourself?
Well, I'm pretty sure that I'm like extremely sure that was the girl that I saw in the forest.
Have you ever seen her anywhere else?
Yeah, sometimes I see her just walking around in the forest.
Did you ever see her like doing something really nice, like maybe just walking around or something?
I saw her once taking berries to help her mom. So
Okay. No farther than
Thank you. The witness is dismissed.
Thank you.
okay.
Prosecution, call your next witness.
The mother of Goldilocks, please.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the evidence you shall give to the court and jury in the matter now pending before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God? I do. Mother of Goldilocks, did you feed her that morning? Yes. She went in. Why'd she eat the porridge then? She was probably hungry. Was she chasing a butterfly? Yes. Did you see this? No. Then how do you know? She told me. What if she was lying to you? I don't think she was lying to you. Do you have any medical records that she broke her back when she fell out of the chair? She never complained about anything really. Did you see her coming back from the bear's house, or did she tell you anything about it? Yes. Did you see an invitation from the bears? Yes. Objection, Your Honor. Irrelevant.
Which question is irrelevant?
Did you see it? An invitation from the bears?
Sustained. So you need to rephrase your question.
Bears tell you that she could come over? Yes. Nothing further.
Thank you. Defense?
Does Goldilocks get in big trouble? No. Is she a good student? Yes. Objection, Your Honor.
On what grounds?
Does she go to school?
Does she go to school? Overruled. Go ahead.
Bakery Creek Elementary. And do you know if she's friends with Baby Bear? Yes. Nothing further.
Thank you. The witness is dismissed. Prosecution, call your next witness.
Goldilocks. before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Goldilocks, did Papa Bear invite you to come into the bear's house at Onewood Circle?
Mom and Dad did.
Do you admit that you entered the bear's house without their permission?
Yes.
While in the bear's residence, did you sit in their chairs?
Yes.
Why?
Because I was tired.
Did you ever break and destroy the smallest of the 3 chairs while you were in the mayor's home?
I didn't mean to. It was already broken, but I did see the cracks.
Did the bears invite you up to the home for dinner or breakfast?
Yes.
Do you admit that you at the bear's porch without their permission?
I already had their permission because they said one was for me and I should find it over.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Defense?
Goldilocks, have you been invited over to the bear's house before? And when was that? Did you know that the chair was already broken? What time did you leave your house? At 10. Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. The witness is dismissed. Prosecution, call your next witness.
The prosecution rests, Your Honor.
Thank you. Defense, do you have any additional witnesses to call?
Yes, Your Honor. We would like to call up Ansley, friend of Goldilocks.
Okay.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the evidence you shall give to the court and jury in the matter now pending before the court shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? I do.
Goldilocks is a good girl, isn't? Is she? Okay. Is she really nice to everybody?
Yes.
Do you think that she would have broken into the bear's house on purpose and tried to break their chair? You think she tried to steal the porridge? Nothing farther, Your Honor.
Prosecution, would you like to cross?
How old are you?
I'm sorry, witness needs to speak up. Repeat the answer.
9.
Where do you go to school? Were you with Goldilocks when she went into the house?
No, I saw her going to the house later.
What did you see and do?
I heard the conversation and I saw her run to the door.
Thank you. The witness is dismissed. Defense, do you have any other witnesses you'd like to call?
Your Honor, we would like to call up Parker and friend of Goldilocks.
Okay.
You solemnly swear or affirm that the evidence you shall give to the court in the jury of the matter now, pending before the court, shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God. How old are you? Do you think that Goldilocks would ever purposely do something wrong? Do you think that she is usually a good little girl? Yes. Nothing further, Your Honor.
Thank you. Prosecution, would you like to cross? Nothing further. Thank you. The witness is dismissed. Defense, do you have anything further?
Your Honor, the defense rests.
Very good. Prosecution, you rest? Yes. Closing statements, prosecution?
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, you have heard a witness testify that he saw the defendant enter the home of the 3 bears without their permission. Papa Bear testified that Goldilocks, while in his home, broke one of the chairs and stole some of their food. He even found Goldilocks in his home when he returned from a long walk. The evidence has shown beyond a reasonable doubt that Goldilocks committed the crime of criminal trespass, criminal damage to property, and theft. I ask you to find Goldilocks guilty of all 3 crimes. Thank you for your attention during the trial of this case.
Closing.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, we have shown you that the defendant Goldilocks is not guilty of the theft, criminal trespass, and criminal damage to property. The evidence shows that the defendant Goldilocks is not guilty because she was invited into the bear's house with Baby Bear. The door was wide open, and both witnesses, Goldilocks and Baby Bear, recall going in and leaving the house at different times. The chair was already broken, and there were 3 bowls out, and Papa Bear was not eating that morning, so she thought that one of the bowls were for her. You must find the defendant not guilty as charged. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. Okay, this court is now in recess until the jury reaches a verdict. Thank you.